Is it way bad?
Yeah, it needs like a master cylinder or slave cylinder or something.
Okay, we'll double check that.
Yeah, when I first got in it had like nothing. It was right on the floor.
Yeah.
I pumped it a bunch, now it'll go in gear.
Yeah. Let's do a quick walk around. How's it feel? Feel stock?
Yeah.
Feel pretty peppy coming off the ramps?
Real peppy.
So it just dropped off. Always do the initial walk around. Just like the driver is. Always good to get a good check. Make sure it looks the same as when it left. So just as a recap on this one, the customer wanted a black intercooler, so we actually did a whole black series kit and finished the pipes in black too. We really like the way this looks. You've seen it in the past. It's just a very clean look. And again, this customer came a long way, and this is actually a birthday present to himself. So there's a couple of extra little things in there. We're going to show him when he picks it up and let him know what we did. One of the other things I wanted to do, and this is something that I'm going to keep trying to remind people in the videos, again, not trying to sell our product, but just to look out for it. The VTEC solenoids always look just like a little bit plain. Well, we have these solenoid covers. They're black, anodized. They fit perfect. They look nice, and they kind of go with the whole look of the car. What I do is I put a little bit of Honda Bond in there, so it's not going to fall off. Just looks a little bit better. And again, it goes with the black anodizing on the rest of the kit. It's a little drinking cup for when you're not really thirsty and you don't want to drink. This is actually a VTEC solenoid cover. We're always looking for different products that we can use and sell, and you know, these like sometimes a giveaway when we're doing special builds. Most of the stuff, when you buy it, it looks good in a picture, you get it, and it's junk. We've tried like 3 different oil caps. We're trying to come up with a nice oil cap for the S2000. Something clean, something simple, but works like OEM with a nice rubber O-ring in there. I don't like just a flat seal because they usually have a problem. This is a VTEC solenoid cover we really like. We've used it a few times. I keep forgetting to talk about it, so if you want to add this to your list, let us know. I want to put it on this car behind us right here, and this isn't just because somebody did something for us we feel the need to do it back, but it's kind of like another thank you. Let me show you what this guy did. Look at this. He gives us Starbucks and a Panera gift card. That is so nice. That is like one of those gestures that it's not like a give to receive type of thing, but it's such a nice gesture when somebody does that. It means that they really appreciate what you do, and not that it should make you try harder, but it makes you realize you're doing the right thing and you're doing right by your customers. So it's kind of like a reward, I guess. It's like a bonus. So thank you so much. I really appreciate it. And in exchange, we'll give you a VTEC cover. No, it's not like that, really. Hope that I come across that way on video. I don't want to sound like we're begging for stuff. So 391, 236. This is an AP1 with a completely stock exhaust, catalytic converter, everything as close to stock as you can get.